Okay, so this here, I didn't do it, but I'm just going to show you again how you can be innovative. I'll have another one to show you upstairs. We have another place that had this kind of setup, and it was the people who I really wanted were she had kids. She had like three or maybe even 4 kids, but I really wanted them in my property, and we had lived in that house before. So, and we had this under the stairs thing that went like that. And our little guy was 5 years old when we were in that house. So we had taken black fabric and we'd put it along the sides, and we had spray painted with glow-in-the-dark spray paint, hairspray, glow-in-the-dark hairspray, and you made these stencils with Batman, and then put a purple light in there. So we called it the Batman Cave, because he was into Batman. Remember that?
Yeah.
So,
that was fun.
So it was awesome, yeah. So we had like purple lights and all these Batman, everything everywhere, and it was just black fabric. So then, when she was looking at that place, I was like, I'm going to send you a picture of that. I had to go to my computer and find it in those days and all that. I sent her a picture of it. She took the place, because she was like, oh my goodness, my kids are all over this. So we advertised it after that as a Batman cave, and I put that picture in there and be like, here's the coolest spot of this house. You can play with your kids in the Batman cave. And trust me, it kept them busy for hours, giving me my sanity. But be creative. What does this look like to you? It's under stair storage.
Yeah. Usually you'll see paint cans in there, or extra carpet and that kind of stuff, and it's not really used, or people throw their bikes and junk in there, right?
Yeah.